Good evening, everybody. Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 21st. We are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, I should be up here. Okay, so Palantir, I lost faith. Yesterday, I made a mistake. I became emotional about Palantir. So yesterday I told you, yeah, I'm going to get rid of this support because I don't feel like the stock is going to respect the support. I had lost confidence. I had an emotional day, and that impacted what I was seeing. Even though yesterday the stock was right on the support. It was on the support. It had not broken support. And this is a big lesson for me. Palantir is now above support, so the support is still in play. Palantir is up 56 cents today. That's 2.31%. Closed at 24.78. And post-market, we are down 19 cents. Nothing too much. This is what I am talking about here. So yesterday, we closed on the support that we had drawn. And I think we had also this here, we had this triangle like this. Yeah. So today we opened outside of this support, but went back pretty much at the same height as we went yesterday in terms of the body. But in terms of the high of the day, it's just a little bit lower. Yeah. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So we opened right here outside of the support, then nice big green candle, and we crossed 24.34, which is our intraday support resistance. We crossed that, and then higher. Look at that, pretty strong. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 green candles in a row. Then we went sideways, but still buying pressure here on this green candle, selling pressure here and buying pressure again. So Palantir, really, I am impressed. So we are very close to the 25 resistance here. So we still have that 25 resistance to cross. Stochastic at 62, as I'm always mentioning, over 60, we have some chances that we are going back up. The stock right now can play in this area without any complaint, without asking for permission to anybody. Let's go back to the daily chart. So stochastic at 28.53, going back up a little bit. Nothing to mention much about RSI. We see that RSI, I can maybe get rid of this. So RSI, we see that, the strength is increasing. So good. This is in line with what we are seeing here. MACD still crossed over bullish, but we have yet for the two lines to cross over 0 to be positive. And DMI is still bullish. All is good. So I'm going to try from now on to look at the support lines and resistance line and believe anything is possible. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member of this channel if you like what I do and just want to give me a little bit of a nudge. And also we have a TradingView affiliate link if you want to use this great tool that I'm using every single day. So this tool is free, but if you click on my link and eventually want to pay for it, then you will have a discount. So I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.